welcome Jack and Plays. Today me and my friend Nathan will be playing It Takes Two. Now if it started.
I know.
I'm gonna be boy. Right, loading. Right.
I'm eating some roast.
Yay, we woke up as toys.
How do we get up there?
We are toys in this game, and no, I can't hear anything they say.
Whoa, hey, never lie. What is going on? No clue.
Oh yeah, it's
Let
good.
me go. Oh, no, that.
Right, let's go and get these little runaways. It's over there.
Keep an eye on the music.
And boop.
Made of wood? It's this.
Yeah, I'm made of wood. Ah! Oh, we have to. What's ground pound? Oh wow, that was fast. Hey, naughty. Wait, where am I? Oh, there I am. Yo! Get back here, sir.
Oh, get back here.
What? I double jumped.
Double jump and dash.
It doesn't say dash. It says just double jump.
A-A-A-A-X.
Meow. Get back here. We've told you this.
What's your head?
I'm watching my head.
Ouch.
There, where is he? Ah! I'm back. I fell. Ready? Ground pound! Wee. I did it. Where is he? Ah! Jump, dash. Jump, dash. I'm gonna be a hamster. Do. Now hurry up, I'm being a hamster alone, please. Hamster time! Other side. Ah, fell. Wonder what we have to do here. Ah! Wait, what are you doing? Oh, wow, power. What's this? No, if I don't like the look of it. Ah! Ow. Get back here, sir. Round. Yeah, we got him. What was that?
Why so surprised?
Right, let's flip it. Yep, skip. Oh no, the main bad guy, Mr. Lovebook.
Oh.
Ah, it's a Hoover! Giant tube. Are we like in the bunker? Wait, what's this? Ow! Now if I just got sucked by this weird machine, help me.
Jack, you literally know what it is. Oh. You need to get the end of it.
Yeah, we need. Nath, go for the button. I'm doing something. It seems weird. Why am I holding on to its head? Please help me.
Jack, what would...
What?
You literally know what's happening, though. The Marine. What? There is so much.
Nath, where are we?
In the sewers.
What's that? Alright, let's. Oh yeah. This is so. I don't even know what I'm doing. It says jump, jump, dash. Dash. I was just guessing there. What do we do? Do we just go in here?
Oh!
Nath, what do we do? Why are you holding onto his head? Oh yeah. There's a button up here. Do I just ground pound it? Kill myself. Nath, I think the airflow's been reversed, look.
Oh, yeah.
Whee! How do you get up here? Oh, there's a button. What's that? What the hell is it? Nath, I don't like the look of that thing.
Oh!
Is it a miniature Hoover? Nath, what's happening to us? Nath, what's happening? What are you doing? I think, what am I doing? I could just chomp you right now if I wanted. You like moving that head over there. Oh, the fan stopped. Good job. What do we do? I want to hold Y here. It says Y. Ow! Ow! Help us! Okay, I'm guessing we were supposed to take the power over here, weren't we? What's that? Where does this lead? Wee. Another tube! Not again! I hate doing this! Nathan! What are you doing? Why is it... What the hell? Why is it 2D all of a sudden?
Mario again.
Hello. Doesn't Mario go to the right side? Not the left. Oh, yeah, it's back to 3B. I don't like the look of this. Nath, it looks hard. Nath, this looks hard. I don't like it. Nath, this looks really hard. Even though it's easy. Oh. What's happening over there?
What's this?
That now. What is what? What the hell? Should I press Y on this? It's telling me to press it. Oh, you're supposed to get on there. Oh, fine. I'm twirling it like it says. It says twirl. I'm guessing I need to stop. You got a button? Press the button.
Oh.
What are you doing? Ow! That hurts, Nathan.
And that makes it spin on.
Ah! I'm bad.
Don't go yet. Oh no.
I got it. I'm sleeping. Yay! I made it. Oh. Oh no. I think we go one at a time. You.
Yeah.
Wait, no, didn't we just pass this area when we went on the tubes? I saw I saw like a lever. I'm gonna flip it. Wait, what do we do? I'm guessing this. Go. Wow, we're really good. Ready? Switch. Switch. No more. We're really good at this game, aren't we? Right, let's go. This way, this way, this way. There was only one way to go, so I went that way. I nearly fell. There's a tube. What do we do? Ooh, what's this? Dad, what's happening? Where am I? Oh, I was in that tube. What's this doing? Oh, I think it reversed. Yeah, it reversed. Why can't we just do that normally? You just turned off the light. What's that? No, what's that? No, just to be clear, can you go on it first, please? Go on it first, please. Fine, I'll go on it first. Whee! That was weird. Oh, tube. Why are we going into random tubes? Like, couldn't this be dangerous? I see the Hoover! And there's a Hoover. No, if I see the Hoover. No, if I see the Hoover. And I see the... Yeah, there's a giant Hoover. Remember that giant Hoover from the start? Do you remember? You'll see when you come. I'm watching your stream and seeing what you're doing. Oh, I'm above you. See? Do you see him? Look behind you. You'll see him. No, look behind you. Right, what do you think we do? Also, look behind you. There's it. See, that's the thing from the start, isn't it? What do we do here? I think we have to use this. Oh, it's like that level. Just go. Oh, that was easy. Now, how do you get me across? Is there another one over there? No. Don't tell me I have to like jump over it. Ow! What do I have to do? Do I have to like jump on this platform? What? There's a gate there in my way. There's a gate. What do I do? I think I have to crouch. Do I have to crouch? I can't say. Oh, I have to crouch. God, you nearly got me, alright? Right, what are we doing over here? Button. Oh! So I have to run over there. That's...
Yeah.
No, you have to jump. Ready? I'm really... How can I not jump on it? Right, I'm lifting it. I don't know how to aim this thing. Did I aim it correctly? I bet you that's probably going to like change the flow of air, do you? Oh, yep, it changed the flow of air. That's it. Wait, what? Why am I not going to you?
I think it might have something to do with this.
Why is there like a Woomba butt? Ooh, I have a giant finger, look. Wait, I just pressed the button. Ooh, I like it. Oh, I think we have to feed him. I'm sucking all the red dots. Wait, what happens if I send myself? I thought that would work. I thought that would work. Oh, is it done?
Yeah.
Yay! Wait, we're still not together. There's a giant rock. What do we do? Are we really pushing this? What? It's a cutscene. Wait, where are we? Ah, it's a boss fight! Right, what to do? Ah! Wait. I think these have something to do with the what? Right, I'm stuck in these things. Oh, and I think they land on the player, so you're gonna have to be down here when he does that. Okay. So like all of it comes to us. Also, I'm already dead. Ah!
Yeah, we've watched YouTubers play it that way.
Yeah. We
Sort
sort of know, but not a lot. Uh-oh. I think he's hungry now. Let's go. Oh god, I'm dead. I might be able to get one. I got one. Oh! I'm really bad at it. I thought I'd be really good, but I'm actually not that good, am I? This is kind of hard, isn't it? By kind of, I mean really, isn't it? Right, Nave, hurry up. Oh, Nave, he's chucking the things, he's chucking orbs, he's chucking them. Right, ready? Go. I chucked myself again. Why do I keep doing that? Right. Oh, there's a health bar on the top. I never noticed that. Ah! He shook a giant lumps of what?
I think they're dust.
That's not dust. Oh no, he's shooting the things. Come to the front quickly. Come to the front so I will collect. Right, let's go. Quickly, it's sucking them up already. There, I'm trying to get them all. There. Boing, boing, boing. Oh wow, he's about to die. Oh no! How are we supposed to do this? He's doing shockwaves and the god. I'm gonna call it. I don't know what to call it. Oh, I respawned at the perfect time. Yep. Right, let's go. Come on, quickly. Ready? Suck! Don't tell me we just missed all our shots.
Yes, we did.
I swear, this is impossible. Oh, stay to the front, stay to the front. Right, ready? Suck! That's all. Oh, yes! Wait, Dave? What are we doing? Dave? What? Wait, what? What are you doing?
Oh! Move the ball.
What? What are we doing? Dave, why are we going for his eyes? Dave, this doesn't seem nice. Dave! Dave! Dave, I just sucked out his eye. Dave,
Are we sucking it?
we just sucked out his eyes. Oh yeah, we're getting saved. Oh, I don't think we're getting saved. Are we okay? I don't think we're okay, everyone. Dave, do you think we're okay? We're okay! We're okay. Whoa, look how much it destroyed. Now, where do we go? Now, if I can't go up there. No, I'm stuck. Now, if I don't know where to go, like, I want to jump to this weird robot, but then when I do, there's like nowhere to go. Look.
We have to
do. Wow, we're strong. Wait, what? I'm a nail? Oh, what's that? Ooh, I got really cool. What's that? Oh, Dave. What are you doing? Dave, why's that button there? Looks like it could be. Oh, there's a. What? I just did something over here. Ooh, hey, look. Look what I found. I found a nail. You might as well jump over it. Wait, what? You can use your hammer to do that. Can I want another nail. Like, I want to steal it, so.
Put on here. Put an egg on here.
Should I, like, put it in the middle?
Yeah. Recall your nails.
There's a wooden board. I'm guessing it goes there. Oh. Do you, like, want me to put it closer? Like. I'm trying to put it as close as I possibly can. Ah, that's what you have to do. Now, what's that?
Nail here.
Oh! Wait, what? I got a new nail! No, how do I get across?
Oh.
What? Wee, that was fun. Oh, there's a button here. Press it. Wait, no, there's like this little dot underneath and I want to like... Oh! Why do I have two nails? Wait, oh. That would have been hard with one nail. Wouldn't it? Oh my. Knife, do you mind whacking me on the head? I want to see what happens if you do that. What's this?
Should we do it?
Yeah, sure, I don't know what it is.
Hit Cody. Ready?
Please don't hit me. I don't want to be hit. Hi. 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 Ha. Oh, you're doing good. Hi. I won. I'm actually good at that. Right, let's go, shall we, yeah? Oh, what's that? I want to press. Oh, I just nailed it and it opened. What happens if I take the nail off? It still stays open. Okay. Now, where are we? Oh, yeah, that looks fun. Now if there's two wooden boards, I'm gonna just stab them both with nails. There you go. What do I do? Oh no. There's this pad here. Nev, can I come through that? Can I come through there? What's this? Oh. Nev, look, that door's just opened. Hello. Oh. Now if I fell. Now if this part looks hard.
What's this here?
I don't know, but I don't really care. Now can we just like do the... Now if this looks hard, do you see this? Oh, there's a cheese.
Pictures of me.
Now if this looks hard, you can't lie. I wouldn't press the button if I was you. Nate, do you not see what you just did? What did you just do?
So, try nailing that.
Yeah, I was guessing nail that.
Or nail it.
That that didn't seem good for you. Are you okay or were you squashed?
Nail. Or nail. Nail.
I nailed it. Now he died.
Wait, do you have 3 nails?
Huh?
You have 3 nails?
No. Actually, yeah. Why do I have 3 nail slots? Now if you can jump. Yeah, this. I'm seriously not liking the way this looks. Now if I just stab that weird board for you.
Oh no!
Now, you know when I said I didn't like the look of this, I think I was right. You know, I could just watch you. That's a good.
Oh, you missed.
Ready?
Stab it on top, maybe?
Now! Now! Jump! Yay, we did it! Alright, Nev, what are you doing?
A new nail?
Nev, how do I get out? No, Nev, can I have some out? I've got like this weird thing here.
Just do.
Nev!
Oh.
I need help!
Oh.
Oh! God, that was high. Nev, why are we still not together? What the hell is this? Nev, what does your button do? I'm just gonna run. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm running after this and hoping it works. Oh wow, that definitely worked. Nave, I don't like the look of this. I know I say that every time, but this time I actually don't. Go. I just shoot you in there. Ready? Bet you don't need that.
And then.
I'm guessing up there and there.
No, no. You need to. You need. No. You do that wall. No. That wall. Then get another one. Do the one on top of it.
Yeah, no, that kind of makes sense. Oh yeah, it made sense.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Let me just zap that. Let me just do that. There we go. We are so smart. Can you come save me? Please? I'm stuck behind glass. Oh, thank you.
That boss battle was really hard. I hope there's no more.
That was actually kind of easy, can't lie. Question, why is there a toolbox? Why is there a ginormous toolbox and why are we trying to break into it? Nave, why do we have health? Nave, we have health. Why are we chasing down the toolbox? Like, why? Nave, why is there nails raining? Is that the toolbox? Or is that me? I can't tell. Nave, there's nails! Nave, what do I do? Oh, Nave, I think you have to run. Nave, come on. Phew. Ah! Nave, I got trapped. Nave, there's a button there and I want to press it. I nearly got spiked. Nave! Go without me.
No! No! I'm spiked!
you got to. Ah, no, this part looks hard. No, we lost. Well, it's gonna be respawn.
Yeah, this will respawn. Well, am I still good at this?
It's kind of impossible when there's nails.
Right, my shell for you.
Oh, come on. I made it! What happens? Nave, I don't like the look. Nave, get up! Don't die on me! There! And I'm guessing we do this. Nave, there's nails! Let me just... Nave, watch out! It's raining nails. Oh god, I nearly got nailed. Right, ready? There's like a little wood, so I'm guessing we need to pin this. Nave?
Oh.
Is this a boss fight?
Oh.
It looks like a boss fight. Oh no, it's a boss fight. Ah! What's happening?
He's getting locked up.
No.
Back.
He's got a hand. Wait, he has wood on his hand, look. Nave, I just nailed his arm. Makes it. Yes, Nave, good job. Yes!
What?
Wait, Nave, he's got his spatula out.
Hit me with a spatula.
Oh, hi, Nave. He's got a drill. Please, kind sir, I don't want to be drilled. Oh. Wait, Nave, he's drilling our floor and we have limited floor. I don't like that. And he's still chucking down those nails. Oh my. Nave, this is dangerous. Nave! I don't like this drill anymore. I never liked it anyway. But... Nave! I'm dead.
No.
He's powerful. Like, he's hard. He's harder than the, you know, the nail boy, you know. I mean, the Hoover boy.
Oh.
Go, go, go!
No.
No, we failed. Now he's got all his locks still. Oh, but guess what? Now he didn't get his drill. That's good. He doesn't have a drill now because we didn't get him. So I think whenever we whenever we take off his lock, something happens where like he does something to us. So see, he's got the drill now, doesn't he? Now he's gonna get his drill now, isn't he? So every time we knock off one of his locks, he gets upgraded, I guess. That's bad. The worst part. Like, you have to move to dodge the nails, you know what I mean? Because if you get hit by a nail, you're dead.
Oh, quick!
I'm dead! Go! No! Yes! We finished it! No, can you please knock off his arm? Yay! He doesn't have an arm, but he still has a spatula. Nave.
Wait, attack us with now?
Wow, really cool. Nice moves you got there.
Hello.
Why is there cheese? Uh-oh.
What?
Here's a touching us with a spatula. Nice. Now what? Knife, he's gonna slap you. Oh God. He's trying to slap me. He's trying to slap you. Wait, no, there's a... Oh! I'm shooting the can! Oh. I missed it with my third nail. Uh-oh. Oh no, he's shooting nails. Oh no, he's shooting nails now.
Oh no.
No, what's he shooting at? Those are not nails. Ah! It's a saw blade! Wait, no, that means he's cutting off our... No, me scared. Me don't want to lose. Wait, how are we gonna dodge the when when he does his spin attack with his thing? And how are we gonna dodge all these nails?
Oh
God, that's Can he cut off that weird looking part there? I don't like it anymore because of how weird. You know what I mean? Nave, how are we gonna survive the slap? Nave. Ah! No! No nails! Oh no, more swords! No, I think we're gonna... Uh-oh. Oh no! Nave, it's slappy time. He's gonna slap you. He's gonna slap you. Nave, hurry up, spawn. He just slapped you. Oh! No! Ah! One more. Nave, how are we going to survive? Please don't send any more saws. I don't want more saws. If he sends more saws, we're dead.
exactly.
I'll respawn quickly. Then move. Right, ready? He's exploded! Right, but this will be the end of the video. Me and Nathan will see